Welcome to today's video. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and today I want to talk about the BZI, Mezzmaster, and panel table as shown in the intro. This is some video of the Mezzmaster from just a few days ago, and it is an important part of the incredible speed with which Tesla is building the Giga Semi factory. I thought we would just follow along on this video, about 3-4 minutes of video, where the Mezzmaster picks up a completed roof panel from the panel table. Immediately in the top right, you can see a telehandler is prepared to bring in new trusses and place them inside into the empty half of the panel table. In the meantime, the other side of the panel table has another roof panel ready to go. Let's watch as the Mezzmaster grabs and then moves a completed roof panel over to section SC and installs the roof panel. In the meantime, as I mentioned, they're getting the next one ready. And towards the end of this segment of the video, you'll see that they have the trusses in place and ready to go for the corrugated steel. It's a pretty short distance from where they've placed the panel table, which is inside the perimeter of the factory, which I was a little bit surprised, but I think they basically have figured out that one more move of the panel table is well worth the expeditious way that they can install it. Look how the Mezzmaster articulates, and the driver operator is able to squeeze through this opening. In a little bit, there's this optical illusion. I don't know if it'll be evident to you, but as I look at these videos, there's a portion coming up where it looks like the roof panel is upside down right now. I don't know, I'm not sure if you see what I see, but it looks upside down. He did not turn it upside down. It's some kind of bizarre optical illusion. Love to have a viewer explain this, but in a moment, it'll morph back into being right side up. I know it sounds a little bit strange, but now it doesn't all look upside down anymore. Do you guys see that? Let me know in the comments or in your replies. So back to the main focus is the speed with which they were able to assemble this. They have a lift ready to help attach the trusses to the beams, and an operator is moving his safety harness so that he can get closer, and he has the tool, and I should have the name of that. I have posted it on previous videos, but he also has a tool in hand, and he's actually using it right now and riveting, spot welding. I'll try to come back with more information on that and some more detailed information about that tool. But he was just using it on the previously installed panel, and he's now moving his safety harness while attached to one. He moves another one, and he's getting ready to attach this roof panel to the previous one and to the beams. So we're about 5 minutes into this video, and he has picked, in that time, he's picked up a roof panel. The Mezzmaster operator has picked up the roof panel, brought it over, and is about to finish the installation. He'll let go of it in a few minutes, as seen in previous videos. But now I want to go back over to the panel table and show you that they've already installed all the trusses into the jig, and are attaching some sheet metal, or not sheet metal, but some metal strips to the bottom that you could see sort of bouncing around in the wind. Some torsional strength, I imagine they provide. Anyway, you see they've got the 4 trusses installed, and here's where you're going to see the fast progression. This technique is what allows this project to move at an unbelievable Tesla speed. Take a look, and I'll leave you with a outro soundtrack.